Alright, here is the unboxing of the LunchEAZE. Been waiting for this for a couple days now. I ordered it 2-day. So let's see what we got. This is sick. Okay, service. Got the upgraded lunch bag. And then we got the power inverter to keep in the car. We got our spare containers. Okay. And then we got 3 sets of travel utensils. And then here is the one and only LunchEAZE. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have our user manual, which I will go through this in a minute. And open her up, and here we go. I went with the black color one just because, to be honest with you, I work mechanics, so on the road, and if I have my hands dirty or whatever, I don't want to ruin like a nice color like the blue one that they have or the red one. But this thing feels solid. It's heavy, not heavy where it's like uncomfortable, but it feels like it's well built. I got my other lunchbox, and inside of here we got our cable, I assume. Okay. Yep, it's our charging cable. And I'm gonna put this bad boy to charge. I'm gonna do what it tells me to do. Then I'm gonna heat up some soup that's been cold for a while. It's been sitting in the fridge for a couple days. And let's see how well it does heating it up. I think it'd be a good time for a snack. So let's put this bad boy to charge, and then let me show you guys the lunchbox before. This is the lunchbox. It's got a little side pouch right here. This is the upgraded one. It's got another side pouch on the other side. Nice carrying strap. Feels pretty well built as well. I'll open her up. I thought it'd be a bit bigger, but it just looks pretty good too. Alright. Insulated on the inside. And that's obviously to store drinks or things you might need to carry. Condiments. And then here is the inside. It's got its nice carrying strap as well. Same material. It almost feels like a leather type of material. Hook this up. And then tomorrow will actually be my first day using it on the job site. So we'll see how well it performs. We got insulation, and we got a nice little pad over there. Sorry, inside of there. But it looks pretty well built. Once I use it, once I try it out, I'm gonna try it out today, obviously here in the house, and then tomorrow at work, and we'll see how it goes. The one I got was the actual LunchEAZE, so it has the ability to do the Bluetooth and all that. I'm gonna try that as well. I'm gonna set a timer, and we'll see how it goes, guys. So, hope you enjoyed the review. Until later.